Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainments. And today I am fixing Pennsylvania Dutch Smoky Sweet Ham Balls. Woo, that's a lot to say. Basically, they're ham balls. So, let's get to it. Made with a half a pound of ground pork and a half a pound of ham, and that's already been put together. You can just buy this as a loaf already done, or you can grind up your pork and your ham. The mustard, some seasonings, some brown sugar, 1 egg, half a cup of milk, a half a cup of cornflakes. You can use Frosted Flakes if you want to. Make sure that you pulsate them and they ground up. And see some vinegar in the back, that's for the glaze. And some brown sugar right here, that's also for the glaze. Okay, let's put it together. Okay, I got the cornflakes. I put them in there. I'm adding my milk. That in there. And I'm going to add some seasonings. And make sure that egg is like a room temperature. You don't want to take it straight out the refrigerator. And then I'm going to put my egg in here. And then I'm going to mix it all up. And then I'm going to make meatballs. Okay, I got all the meatballs. That's the nice medium size. And this goes in the oven for 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And then you uncover it and, move them around. And then do another 20 minutes. And while that's going, I'll be working on the glaze. I cook this in a glass dish. So I don't spray the glass dish. But due to the fact I'm cooking this in the oven, I am going to spray it just a little bit, just so they don't stick. I'm in the process of making a glaze. The glaze takes mustard, dry mustard. I don't have dry mustard, so I'm just going to use some wet mustard, about a half a teaspoon. I'm going to use 3/4 cup of brown sugar. That's what's in this container. I've already got my vinegar in this bowl right here, and that's about 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar. That's to cut that tart taste. And then I'm going to use ketchup because I'm po, and that's 3/4 cups of ketchup. Now, if you don't have ketchup, you can use tomato soup. A lot of people use tomato soup. I don't have tomato soup, and there's a storm outside, so I'm not going to get tomato soup. So I'm going to put this in a little skillet. I'm going to warm it up, combine it together, set it aside, and then once my meat is half cooked for the first 20 minutes, then I'm going to take this out, show you to pour the glaze over, put it back in. Okay, this is the meatballs with the glaze on top. And there's my buttered noodles. And I didn't use much margarine. I used that butter salt and broccoli. And that's how it looks. Nice and delicious. And I'm ready to munch.